फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का आद्विक साइंस एकेडमी में। मैं हूं योगेंद्र और आप हमारे साथ साइंस के कुछ कंसेप्ट स्टडी करेंगे। ओके, आज हम लोग एनिमल टिश्यू के सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप्स मस्कुलर टिश्यू के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। Muscular tissue are those type of tissue which has the property of contraction and relaxation. That means those tissue which show contraction and relaxations are known as muscular tissue. Okay, it is of three types. Which one? First is striped muscles, second one is unstriated muscles, or third is cardiac muscles. This is also called the striped muscle, also called striated muscles. This is also called skeletal muscles, or this is also called voluntary muscles. Okay, now second one is the unstriated muscles, or also called smooth muscles, or also called involuntary muscles. Now third one is the cardiac muscles. Let's see part by part, one by one. Okay, if we consider the figure about a striped muscles, let's see here. There is a stripe here. This is alternate dark and light band. This is a stripe like zebra crossing. You have C. Okay. Now this is the plasma membrane known as sarcolemma, यानी प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, प्लाज्मा membrane. Okay, and the fluid present inside it is known as sarcoplasm. Sarcoplasm. This is fiber like structure known as myofibrils. Okay, this is dark band and this is light band. If you stress this figure, this is dark band. This is dark band. This is light band. This is also dark band. So this is very important point here, that the striped muscles have the alternate dark and light band. This is dark band, light band, and this is dark band. So alternate dark and light band present in the striated muscles. Okay, due to presence of dark band and light band, this is also called striated muscles and striated muscles. Okay, these muscles are attached with our bones and cartilage. So this is called a skeletal muscle. This is called a skeletal muscles, and these muscles is our control of our will. So this is called voluntary muscles. Okay. Now here is the nucleus. You see here the nucleus is peripheral. Nucleus is peripheral. That is, it is near about the boundary. That is near to the plasma membrane. Okay. So this is striated muscles or skeletal muscles or striated muscles and voluntary muscles. Okay. This is a figure of skeletal muscles. Striated muscles and striated muscles are due to the presence of dark and light band. Okay. Why they are called skeletal muscles? Because they are attached to our bones and cartilage. So this is known as skeletal muscles. And why they are known as voluntary muscles? Because it works according to our willpower. Okay, so this is known as voluntary muscles. Now see here the structure. This is a muscle cell. This is a muscle cells. Inside it, there is many fiber-like structure known as myofibrils. This is contractile protein. Contractile protein fiber. Okay, this is contractile protein fiber known as myofibrils. This myofibrils helps in contraction and relaxation of muscle cells. Okay, now this is the plasma membrane. And if you see the transverse section, then there is numerous myofibrils. Now nucleus is peripheral, that is, it is present near the boundary. There is presence of many dark patches, okay, and light band. So if you enlarge this figure, you will see here, this is the dark band, light band, dark band. So there is alternate dark and light band. So this is called striated muscles. Okay. Plasma membrane of muscle cell is known as sarcolemma, and plasma and cytoplasm of muscle cells or striated muscles is known as sarcoplasm. This is cytoplasm. Okay. We discuss about the characteristic of striated muscles. We have seen the figure earlier. Now these are some characteristics of striated muscles or striated muscles or skeletal muscles or voluntary muscles. These all names are of the same, okay, same type of muscle known as striated muscles. First of all, it has alternate light and dark bands, so it is called striated muscles. You have seen alternate light and dark band here, okay, alternate dark and light band you have seen, okay. So this is known as a striated muscle due to presence of alternate dark and light band. Second one, it is attached to our bones and cartilage. Bones and cartilage are a skeletal tissue. So if the muscles which are attached to our bones and cartilage, so it is also called a skeletal muscles, okay, due to attachment with a skeleton. This is also called a skeletal muscle. It works under control of our willpower. हमारी इच्छा अनुसार ये काम करता है, ठीक है. If you want to contract your fingers, you can contract and relax it. If you lift some substances, you can do it. So it is according to our will. So it works under control of our will. So it is called voluntary muscles. Okay. Now its nucleus is peripheral. You have seen here that there is nucleus. Nucleus is at the boundary side. So nucleus is peripheral or near boundary. Okay. Plasma membrane of muscle cells is called sarcolemma. Sarcolemma is plasma membrane of muscle cells. Cytoplasm of muscle cells is called sarcoplasm. This is fluid inside the muscle cells known as sarcoplasm. This is cytoplasm. Okay. It shows fast contraction and can work for long duration. If you run, you need more energy and you run fast. Okay. An athlete can run very fast and for long time. Okay. Due to its skeletal muscles. If you complete your marathon race, there is need of a lot of energy and long duration power. So these skeletal muscles provide the fast contraction and long duration running. Okay. There is no intercalated disc. This will be discussed in cardiac muscles. So at that place this will be clear. There is no branching. There is no branching. This is cylinder like a structure. This is cylinder like a structure. This is elongated structure. This is elongated cylindrical structure. Okay. There is no branching. Myofibrils are attached parallelly to each other. You have seen here many myofibrils run internally. These are myofibrils. These are myofibrils. Okay. The myofibrils are attached parallel to each other. These are the myofibrils. These small thread are myofibrils which run parallel to each other. Okay. Another one. This is a smooth muscles, or it is also called unstriated muscles, also called involuntary muscles, also called visceral muscles. Now see the figure here, a smooth muscles. These muscle cell is a spindle cell, that is centrally it is thick and at the ends they are pointed. So this is pointed is also called tapering ends. Okay. And this is a spindle cell, a structure. Okay. Here the outer boundary is sarcolemma, that is its plasma membrane. The cytoplasm present inside the cell is known as sarcoplasm. There is centrally located nucleus. Nucleus is central, and the myofibrils, that is the contractile fibers, are present longitudinally throughout longitudinal section. This is present longitudinally, myofibrils. Okay. The hair is tapering in. Nucleus is centrally located. Myofibrils runs longitudinally. This is simple smooth muscle. Okay. These are present in bundles and arranged parallelly to each other. Okay. Here are some characteristics of smooth muscles. These are elongated muscle cell having tapering end. This is tapering end, that is at the end point they get pointed. This is tapering end. Okay. Nucleus is centrally located. There is centrally located nucleus. Contractile fiber, also known as myofibrils, runs longitudinally. That is top to bottom. Okay. there is no any dark and light band. You say here there is no any stripe, no any dark and light band. So this is called unstriated muscles. Due to absence of dark and light band, they are called unstriated muscles. Okay. Where it is found? It is found in visceral organ. Visceral organ are those which are present inside our body, like intestine, kidney, heart, lungs, stomach. These are visceral organs. Okay. So these smooth muscles are present in visceral organs, but on the heart there is a special type of muscles known as cardiac muscles. We will not include heart here. Okay. This muscles is not our control of our will. This is not in control of our willpower. That is, you can't contract or relax your smooth muscles. Imagine that you take your food in mouth and you get swallowed. Then you are not able to recognize where is your food is going. It goes automatically. So this is not control of our will. Okay. So this is called involuntary muscles, because smooth muscles are not under control of our willpower. It contracts slowly. You have seen that striated muscles, previously striated muscles has fast contraction, but it has slow contraction, because peristaltic movement of our intestine, movement of our esophagus, how the food reaches or goes downwardly, this is peristaltic movement. Okay, wavy movement, like this one. This wave-like motion, movement, this is wavy movement. Alternate contraction and relaxation movement is known as peristaltic movement. The alimentary canal, that is the canal, the gut, the pipe which is present from mouth to the anus. Okay, so peristaltic movement present in alimentary canal, and this is due to the movement of a smooth muscle. It's so slow contraction. There is no intercalated disc. Again, there is no presence of intercalated disc. Intercalated discs are special dark patches. Okay, it will be discussed in the cardiac muscles. Okay, cardiac muscles. Okay, the third one is cardiac muscles. See here the figure of cardiac muscle cell. Okay, here you will see that the muscle cells are attached with each other, and there is branching of the cells. There is branching of the cells. Okay, there is presence of dark band, light band, dark band, light band. Okay, this is dark band, dark band, dark band, and a space between two dark band is known as light band. So there is dark band and there is light band. So there is presence of alternate dark and light band. There is another important structure which is known as intercalated disc. We have discussed earlier intercalated disc. This is a dense dark band. This is a dense dark band which boosts the power of the cardiac muscles, which boosts the power of cardiac muscles. Now, nucleus is centrally located. Nucleus is centrally located. Okay, and the membrane of cardiac muscles is known as sarcolemma, and the cytoplasm present inside it is known as sarcoplasm. This is a simple cardiac muscle cells structure. Okay. Now see about the characteristic of the cardiac muscles. It shows the property of both striated and non-striated or unstriated muscles, because there is presence of dark and light band, dark band, light band, again dark band, light band, dark band, light band. So there is presence of alternate dark and light band, so it shows the property of aspirated muscles. But this muscles is not our under control, it works automatically. So this is known as unaspirated muscles also. Okay, so it shows both the function of aspirated and unaspirated muscles. Now it has intercalated disc. It is very important word about the cardiac muscle. It has intercalated disc, which is a densely dark band. This is intercalated disc, which is a densely dark band. Okay. Nucleus is centrally located. Nucleus is centrally located. Nucleus is centrally located. Here is the nucleus, which is at the center. These are branch cells. These are branch cells. It is a branch cells attached with each other. Branching cells attached with each other. It shows the function of contraction and relaxation at a particular rhythm. That is, it shows rhythmical contraction and relaxation. Okay. It also shows very fast contraction and relaxation. Okay, heart muscles, our beating muscles, it pump the blood very fastly in the aorta or main arteries very fastly. Okay, we will discuss in next chapter. Where it is present, these are present on the heart muscles. These are present on the heart muscles. Okay, and the myofibrils, the fiber inside the muscle cells, also runs longitudinally. The myofibrils also runs like this, longitudinally. I have not drawn here, but inside the cardiac muscles, the myofibril fiber runs like this, longitudinally. Okay. So students, these are about the muscular tissue of our class 9 science. Okay, if you like our work, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so that in future I will be able to make more new videos for our better performance, so you will be get benefited well. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you so much.